Well, folks, here it is, August 7th. Went to hit the creeks and it started downpouring, thunderstorming. Creeks jumped up on me, so I decided to go up on the hill and get in a God-forbid awful cornfield. It is impossible to walk with this, but I just come across two things close to each other. I'm not sure about them, but we'll see. Oh yeah, it's worked. It's some crude blade or something, flake blade or something. The other one that's really got me. Question is this right here. I'm hoping it's something. I'm sure. Oh, can you see the base? I can see a base. Please don't be broke. Please. Come on. Oh, shucks. Wow. What a shame. Would you look at that? What a shame. Holy. Oh, man. It's a crier. Never been in this field before, but I will be in it again for sure. Hopefully more to come. Talk to you later.